Students, now let us discuss the advantages of joint stock company. The first one is large capital. That is, a company can secure a large capital by collecting the amount in small quantities from the shareholders. The shares can be issued to the general public of various classes. Thereby, it can collect huge capital. So, the Reliance and some other companies has invested more than 25,000 crores in so many businesses and other things. So it is not possible in case of sole proprietorship or partnership where the capital is restricted to a limited extent. Next one is limited liability. This is the very great advantage of this joint stock company. They need not worry about their personal properties, whereas in the sole proprietorship and partnership they have always the concern that if anything went wrong means their personal properties will also be taken away by the creditors. Here the shareholders have the liability of the shares held by them. If any loss is to be suffered means they have the loss, they have to face the loss up to the shares. For example, if a person has 10,000 rupees worth of shares in particular company means if it goes that is if it has some loss means only that he will lose only that 10,000 rupees alone, not his personal property. And the company, one type of company is there, the company limited by guarantee. In that case also, the liability is restricted to the amount that he has guaranteed to the company. Next one is transferability of shares. This is if he has invested say 1 lakh in the shares of a company means if he needs money on an emergency basis means he can easily sell or transfer his shares to somebody else. So the liquidation and the flexibility is possible in this joint stock company. Next one is perpetual succession. So as we discussed earlier, that company has a continuous existence. It will not be affected by the any health condition or expiry or lunacy, insolvency of any of its shareholders, managerial officials, or the top level management people, whatever it is. So the perpetual succession will be there in the joint stock company. Promotion of saving and investment habit. This is the main advantage of this joint stock company. People, those who are having a small amount, they can invest in the joint stock companies by buying its shares. So when the shares value get appreciated, they also will be getting profit. So it intends the people to save more for their future. The next one is risk bearing capacity. The loss of the company is distributed over a large number of shareholders. So the risk that is borne by each and every shareholder is minimum to the extent of the shares or the amount they have invested in the company. Hence, the company form of organization has risk bearing capacity. Then economies of large scale operation. As we all know, if we produce a product in a small scale means the cost of the product will get increased. Same way, if the products are produced in a large scale means the cost of the product will be comparatively less. So the economies, that is the advantage of large scale operation, is being felt in the joint stock company. Next one is economic development. See, nowadays the economy has become globalized. All the imports and exports and all the large scale operations are being carried out in the country, which will contribute to the national income, which will contribute to the increase in the national income. Thereby, economic development of the country is possible through these joint stock companies. Children, so far we have learnt the advantages of this joint stock company. Let us recall quickly the large capital, limited liability, transferability of shares, perpetual succession, promotion of saving and investment habit, risk bearing capacity, economies of large scale operation, and economic development.